Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change username in Twitter. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap in open Twitter application, then get logged into your account. First, you need to tap in the profile icon on top of left corner. As you can see, the options of settings and privacy, tap on it. Under settings and privacy, you tap on account. At the very first, you can see username, tap on it. Now, you go in for providing a new username that must contain at least 4 characters. Go for it. Tap on done. As you can see, my username has been changed. This is how you can easily change your username in Twitter. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can change a username in Twitter. Thank you.